All right, this is the VISIOGEAR Strike 80 Rechargeable 1200-yard golf rangefinder with slope. The company sent me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is going to be my own opinion. These things are great for when I'm out on my local range. I know where all of my distances are at from the middle of the, the place where I usually hit from. But when I come all the way down to the end of the range like I am here, obviously the distances get a little bit off because the targets are all facing that way. So this is great to have something where I can just dial it in and know that instead of 100 yards today, it's 105 yards or 107. And it arrived just like this. And inside the package, you are going to get a nice carrying case, super nice carrying case. We got a zipper on here. We have a way to just quickly lock it into here. Just pull the strap over it, lock it into place. Super nice case. You're going to get the rangefinder itself, the instructions, a lens cleaning cloth, a wrist strap, a lanyard, and a charging cable, because this is a rechargeable device, which I really like. They say that it can be used 40,000 times on one charge, though I haven't gotten there yet. A lot of carts these days have USBs on them. So, I like the option of being able to charge it that way instead of worrying about my replaceable batteries being charged before I go golfing. Very nice. It comes in black or white. It is made out of an ABS material. It is IPX5 waterproof and weighs in at just 6 ounces. It is super lightweight. And it's magnetic on this side right here, which I think is a super neat feature because you can stick it to your belt buckle if you wanted to. Or if you're walking out to a ball with 2 or 3 club choices, you can use the magnet to attach it to one of the clubs that you aren't using so you don't accidentally leave it out there. I like that. That's a cool idea. 168. 168. 7-iron. You switch between yards and meters on here. You just press and hold the mode button for 2 seconds. There's a slope function with vibration too. And there's an easy to use switch right here on the side of this thing to turn it off or on. It has a range of 3 yards to 1200 yards with an accuracy of 0.5 yards or meters if you're using meters. It also has an easy to read display with 7 times magnification on it. I really like the focus wheel on here because it makes it, easy to dial in what I'm looking at. There are 6 different measurement modes on here. There's slope, there's flag lock, there's horizontal height range. They say that you can do speed measuring, though I have yet to try that one out. And you can do continuous scanning, which I think is great for finding yards around the green, like bunkers, or if you want to hit a distance to the front, middle, or back of the green. I like that feature. This rangefinder has a nice little grippy texture on the top right here. Buttons are easy to access. Everything's right here in front of you and right where you know. They're color coded, so you know which one's the difference between the mode and the power button. Slope switch is right here. It's lightweight, it's portable, it feels pretty durable, feels great in my hand, and I think this would be great for golfers of any level or bow hunters even. Very nice.